How big is the universe? Where does it begin, and how far does it go? These are questions that we have surely asked ourselves at some point in our lives without ever having a concrete answer. The distances in the cosmos are incredibly vast, so much so that they escape our logical comprehension. Thanks to advanced technology in astronomical studies, we can get a tiny glimpse of the immense distances and sizes that some impressive objects in the cosmos can reach. This makes the universe an endless place, where only the most extensive imagination could describe its vastness. Despite not having a solid answer about the size of the universe, some scientists believe there could be an infinity of universes beyond our own, each with unique characteristics and governed by its own laws. These hypothetical universes may even contain beings that we would never expect to observe, not even in the depths of our imagination. What we are sure of, however, is the size of the objects that abound in our universe. Recently, a scientist, with the help of the legendary James Webb Space Telescope, discovered the most gigantic structure ever observed. Stay with us to learn about this fascinating discovery, and remember to like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. To give you an idea of the colossal objects and structures that fill the cosmos, we must start at the beginning. Our moon measures approximately 3,474 kilometers in diameter, but it is just a small sphere compared to our planet Earth, which has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers. If we compare Earth with the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, it would look like a ping-pong ball next to a soccer ball. Jupiter has a diameter of approximately 400,000 kilometers. Now, let's compare Jupiter with the largest known planet in the universe, HD 10546b, a gigantic planet that is 7 times larger than Jupiter, with a total diameter of 986,000 kilometers. You can only imagine how tiny Earth would look next to this cosmic monster. However, even though HD 10546b holds the title of the largest known planet, it is nothing compared to the size of our Sun, which has a diameter of about 1.392 million kilometers. Yet, even our Sun would appear small next to the largest star in the universe, Stephenson 2-18, a red supergiant with an astounding diameter of approximately 9 billion kilometers. When compared to our Sun, Stephenson 2-18 is truly an awe-inspiring sight. But the scale of the cosmos doesn't stop there. Even the largest known star pales in comparison to the most massive black hole in the universe, TON 618. This incredible object has an estimated mass of 66 billion solar masses and a diameter of around 390 billion kilometers. At this point, measuring in kilometers becomes impractical, so we switch to measuring in light years. If you thought the largest black hole in the universe was impressive, it cannot compare to the enormous size of the Tarantula Nebula. This is the most gigantic nebula known, stretching approximately 1,862 light-years across. However, even this celestial giant is overshadowed by our galaxy, the Milky Way, which spans about 105,700 light-years. But even the Milky Way is small when compared to IC 1101, the most massive known galaxy, which stretches an astounding 6 million light-years across. Diving deeper into the vastness of space, even more colossal structures exist, ones that make even the largest galaxies seem tiny. One such structure is the Great Void of Eridanus, a region of space almost completely devoid of galaxies or any known objects. This void spans an unbelievable 1.8 billion light-years. However, even this immense void is small when compared to the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a cosmic structure spanning a staggering 10 billion light-years in diameter, about 11% of the observable universe. Although some specialists claim that the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is the largest structure in the known universe, others argue that the most monstrous object in existence is the cosmic web, the very fabric of the universe itself. This structure, recreated by computer simulations from rigorous scientific studies, reveals an impressive image where everything seems interconnected, resembling a kind of neural system that gives life to a biological entity. This raises the fascinating question: could the universe itself be a form of intelligent life? A team of scientists from the University of Bologna has compared two of the most complex systems in nature: the neural network of the human brain and the cosmic web of galaxies. Their discovery? The two are incredibly similar, not just in appearance, but also in their underlying structure and organization. If we compare a human neuron with a cluster of galaxies, the resemblance is striking. The study, published in the journal Frontiers in Physics, aimed to look beyond visual similarities to examine whether the brain and the cosmic web share deeper connections. At first glance, neurons and galaxies seem vastly different. However, this research suggests they are shaped by similar underlying principles. This doesn't mean that the universe is literally a giant brain or that our brain is a miniature universe, but rather that their dynamics follow parallel patterns. In both systems, only 30% of the mass is composed of active components, galaxies in the universe and neurons in the brain, while the remaining 70% consists of elements that play a seemingly passive role: water in the brain and dark energy in the universe. Despite the vast difference in scale, approximately 7 orders of magnitude, the composition of the human brain and the cosmic web show similar levels of complexity and self-organization. One of the researchers leading the study commented, "Our analysis showed that the distribution of fluctuations within the neural network of the cerebellum, on a scale of 1 micrometer to 0.1 millimeters, follows the same progression as the distribution of matter in the cosmic web." When we hear that everything is connected and that we are all influenced by one another, this research provides a scientific basis for such ideas. The actions we take, and even those we choose not to take, shape our destiny and reality. Together, we form a universal system that flows endlessly. In fact, that is why it is called the universe, because everything forms a unity. The idea that everything is connected and that our actions impact the world around us is deeply rooted in many philosophies, spiritual beliefs, and systems of thought. This notion reflects the interconnectedness of all beings and phenomena in the universe and has been present in various cultures throughout history. The belief in universal interdependence suggests that every action and choice we make affects the very fabric of reality. This perspective implies that our individual decisions, whether large or small, contribute to the development and evolution of the world as a whole. If we make conscious and positive choices, we can influence our own lives and those of others in meaningful ways. The idea that we are part of a universal system aligns with both scientific and philosophical perspectives. Scientifically, it is reflected in the interplay of physical forces and natural laws that govern the cosmos. Philosophically, it suggests that our lives are deeply interconnected, with consequences that extend beyond what we can immediately perceive. In summary, the idea that everything is connected and that we form a universal system invites us to be more mindful of our choices and actions. Recognizing that our destiny and reality are shaped by our participation in this interconnected web can inspire us to make more informed and responsible decisions, contributing to a better and more harmonious world for all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss more content like this. We say goodbye for now and see you in the next video.